Making money isn't just about luck, it's often about strategy, innovation, and consistency. Here are 50 tips that can help you boost your income, whether through side hustles, investments, or smart financial choices. Start a blog or vlog. Share your passion and expertise to attract an audience and earn through ads, sponsorships, or products. Freelance skills. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to tap into a global market. Invest in stocks. Learn about the market and start with small investments, gradually expanding your portfolio. Create an online course. Share your knowledge and skills for a fee on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Rent out space. If you have extra space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale through your referral. Sell handcrafted goods. Utilize platforms like Etsy to sell handmade crafts or products. Participate in online surveys. Earn money by giving your opinions through survey websites like Swagbucks. Real estate investment. Consider investing in properties for rental income or flipping houses for profit. Start a YouTube channel. Monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Peer-to-peer lending. Invest in platforms like Prosper or Lending Club and earn interest on loans to individuals. Drop shipping. Set up an online store and sell products without holding inventory, using platforms like Shopify. Invest in cryptocurrency. Research and invest in cryptocurrencies, but do so cautiously due to their volatile nature. Social media management. Offer your expertise to manage social media accounts for businesses or individuals. Drive for ride-sharing apps. Utilize your vehicle to earn money through apps like Uber or Lyft. Write an ebook. Share your knowledge or stories and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Graphic design services. Offer your design skills for logos, websites, or marketing materials. Create a mobile app, develop an app that solves a problem or entertains users, monetize it through ads or in-app purchases. Rent out your car. Use platforms like Turo to rent out your car when you're not using it. Offer consulting services. Share your expertise in a particular field for a fee. Start a podcast. Monetize it through sponsorships, ads, or exclusive content for subscribers. Become a virtual assistant. Offer administrative services to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. Invest in dividend stocks. Focus on stocks that pay regular dividends for a steady income stream. Tutoring services. Teach skills or academic subjects online or in person. Create and sell printables. Design and sell print-ready templates for planners, art, or educational materials. Offer SEO services. Help businesses improve their online visibility through search engine optimization. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Earn dividends from real estate without owning physical properties. Start a niche subscription box. Curate and sell subscription boxes catering to specific interests or needs. Translate documents. If bilingual, offer translation services for documents or websites. Become a fitness trainer. Offer personalized fitness plans or classes online or in person. Create and sell stock photos. Monetize your photography skills by selling stock images on platforms like Shutterstock. Write resumes/cover letters. Offer services to help individuals improve their job application materials. Invest in bonds. Consider low-risk bonds for steady interest income. Start an e-commerce business. Set up an online store to sell products sourced from wholesalers or manufacturers. Event planning services. Organize and plan events for individuals or businesses. Offer meal prep services. Prepare and deliver meals to busy individuals or families. Create a membership site. Offer exclusive content or resources for a subscription fee. Invest in index funds. Diversify your investments with low-cost index funds. Pet sitting/dog walking. Offer pet care services to pet owners in your area. Offer online research services. Assist businesses or individuals with research tasks. Start a clothing line. Design and sell apparel through online platforms or your own website. Voiceover services. Use your voice for audiobooks, commercials, or narration. Invest in retirement accounts. Contribute regularly to retirement accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s. Create and sell digital art. Monetize your artistic skills by selling digital artwork online. Create a YouTube membership. Offer exclusive perks to subscribers for a monthly fee. Conclusion. Earning money can be a creative endeavor. Whether through leveraging your skills, investing wisely, or exploring unconventional avenues, there are numerous opportunities to increase your income. Remember, consistency, dedication, and adaptability are key to financial success.